Welcome to the YouTube channel of Healthcare Today. Diabetes is a lifestyle disease and it has become pandemic worldwide. Especially in the third world country like India, diabetes is a big concern. Why? Because diabetes is not only the issue of controlling blood sugar. When diabetes happens and person's blood sugar is not controllable, it causes lot of other organ system effect. So whole body, every organ they get affected. So among these, diabetic foot is one of the concern. And in current scenario, among the patients and healthcare workers, the awareness regarding diabetic foot is not at high as like diabetic nephropathy or diabetic retinopathy. So today I am going to tell you about something so that you the viewers can be aware of how to examine a diabetic foot or what should be done. What happens in diabetic foot? So basically diabetic foot is the consequences of neuropathic condition and vascular insufficiency of the foot. Both of things, two things, neuropathy and vascular insufficiency, along with other risk factors, they can cause infection of the foot, ulcer of the foot and other issues. All these things are diabetic foot. So for a diabetic person who are diabetic for a longer time, they need to look for their foot and examine their foot regularly. That is very important. Otherwise, they can be affected with the significant consequences of diabetic foot infection. When a person becomes diabetic for a longer time and suffers from diabetic for a longer time, sometimes they may not be very good in controlling diabetes. Sometimes their diabetic control may be good, but they are suffering for a longer time. In both the situations, the nerve of the lower limbs, not only lower limb, through whole body they get affected and neuropathy happens. The neuropathy develops so slowly that for the patient finding out the symptoms, acknowledging the symptoms becomes very difficult. That's why the current recommendation for diabetic foot examination is protocol based. That means every patient has to be examined yearly by a specialized diabetic foot clinic. So if you are a diabetic, you should ask your doctor to examine your foot yearly in a regular manner to find out all the vital signs to rule out the risk factors for developing diabetic foot. These risk factors are neuropathy, insufficiency in blood supply, abnormal pressure points, and there are different deformities in the foot, nail beds, like those kind of things. So for yourselves as a patient, what you can do? So for you, if you are a diabetic, you should make a routine that every day you should look at your feet before going to bed. You have to look for, is there any injuries in the foot, any cut in the foot, any redness in the foot, any different changes that was not on the previous day, you could find out. So as a patient, you can only these things, and that will give you a very alarming sign or alert so that you can visit your doctor and can avoid a grievous consequences of diabetic foot. So I was telling you what are the examinations, routine protocol examinations in a specialized diabetic foot clinic. They have to do 3 tests. One is for the neuropathy. Normally the doctor, they do 3 kind of tests to find the neuropathy. They try to find sensation on temperature, hot or cold. They try to find out the sensation of touch, tactile sensation, and sensation on vibration. So based on these 3 sensations, the doctors can decide do you have a neuropathy or not. Also, doctors have to do a test to find out the difference or ratio between the blood pressure of your arm and ankle, so that they can find out if there is some differences or reduction in the blood supply in your foot or not. And also they will check your pressure point of the sole. So these three things has to be checked yearly for every patient who is diabetic. I think now you know, if you are a diabetic, how you should examine your foot and what is the routine of your examination by you and by your physicians. If this video is informative for you, please do share with your friends and colleagues and relatives. If you have any question, call us on the below given number. We will help you out. We care about you.